How to install or update the Intel SD graphics driver on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you wish to update or install the new versions of the Intel SD drivers, in that case, here is the perfect tutorial. To get started with, open any of your browser. After that, you need to open or search for Intel SD graphics. The first link will be provided by Support for Intel Graphics. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will land to the official page. Now, from which product do you need support for? Tap in the Intel Graphics family. Once you click on it, it will take you to another page from where you can select the product or the driver of your wish. For that, you have to go to the third option or the tab which says Drivers and Software. Search for the latest release and tap on Download. This will download the zip file. Now you just have to extract and install it on your device and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.